Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are playing at HGA Airsoft, accompanied with Opium Airsports, IronMan, and Striggs. I am using my polarstar jack in a old rental body with a 3D printed grip. I also have another upper for it, so I'll change that out later because, unbeknownst to me, it was making my gun shoot funny. As you can see, it double fed. No idea how or why it did that, but it did, so it's annoying. But today you'll see some interesting stuff. Normally just a chill day for the most part,
It's like
but
drooping every once
having
in a
some
while.
man children around doesn't help. Between full
What is
auto and just
happening? I don't
shrugging
know.
shots, it is what it is. But I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Criticism helps,
I
whether
have
negative
no
or
idea why it
positive.
did
Just
that.
don't be
That's
a dick.
weird.
I
Oh shit.
appreciate and enjoy the video.
Sorry, you're good. I got you too. Yeah. Yeah?
$100 cheap guns slapped together with a F2 full compressor with a tracer in it.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Go, 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 go.
I was suppressing it. We're in middle.
Go.
Is that full auto?
Sir.
Where at?
I just saw a kid run up the
Watch that box, they can shoot your knees.
You just watch a guy run that
It was a rental. He's out, he's out. You got him in the first couple of shots. Okay, I missed. Ow. Iron Man, behind you! Whoa, really, dude?
Hey, I'm sorry, dude. You just auto him?
Yeah.
It wasn't on purpose. Come on, man. Hey, I was gonna surrender you. Run it. That's hard. Do it. Oh! Here, stay. Ah! That's too high. There's a boat. Here. I did it, by the way. You don't need this. I did it. Sorry, what?
Ow. I get hit in the mask. No. That was good.
You're gonna defend the
This is not going to be accurate at all.
I just didn't charge you. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, that's so good, honestly. Oh. No, you gotta face me. No. What? The two X's, bro, these like are super. Those are two X? Yeah. Did they work it? I like them. No! I haven't done it yet, but I can. No! Hey, I'm gonna go remove stab. Extra, extra!
Get your news here, get your news here. Get your news here. No. You got me.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you're good.
What's that blood? Open your ears! Grenade! I've already hit you. Come in. I shot you 3 times.
Second please, second one please.
Shoot him.
No, that was ricochet. That was not nowhere near hard enough to be a real BB.
I think they're in the team Argentina or in
What? I can't hear him. Yeah, one down. I think someone's second floor. Part of me wants to go up there, the other part of me doesn't.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Which guy?
Fucking camo, little bitch, dude.
The panda guy?
No, little fucking camo dude with the other guys.